The chief patron of Seetham, Dr. B. Janshi Lakshmi Garu, the patron of Seetham, Dr. Sashibhushan Rao Garu, the principal, Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy Garu, all the faculty members, speakers, students and participants. Good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this 5-day virtual workshop on Innovation, Creativity and Entrepreneurship 2020 being organized by Seetham. We are always very happy to associate with progressive educational institutions like Seetham to support in their endeavors to promote innovation, creativity and startups. NRDC, the National Research Development Corporation, an enterprise of Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, plays very important role in promoting innovation, creativity, entrepreneurship, startups across the country. We organize several programs like creating intellectual property rights awareness among the university, engineering college, faculty members, research scholars. In fact, we have also signed an MOU with Seetham to promote innovation in this institute. We also provide financial assistance for developing innovative technologies, building prototypes, validating the prototypes in the actual field, and perfecting the technology. Once you perfect a technology, NRDC also helps you to commercialize those technologies by transferring these technologies to various entrepreneurs. NRDC also works with almost all the public funded research organizations in the country under various ministries and universities, and we commercialize their intellectual property rights, technologies to various entrepreneurs, startups, small companies, big companies. So if any one of the participants wish to become an entrepreneur, wanted to start a venture based on innovations, we can provide innovation technologies. We can also provide hand-holding, mentoring, financial support to establish your venture, provided you meet the standard specific requirements of our schemes. That is very important. We also conduct large number of entrepreneurship development programs across the country. We also arrange network meetings between various startup companies, researchers, students. So NRDC being a national body, we facilitate such kind of interactions at national level. So if any one of you wanted to become an entrepreneur, please reach out to us. We have opened an office in Andhra Pradesh, in Visakhapatnam itself, in Rushikonda. Dr. B.K. Shahu, my colleague who is heading this institute here, is very accessible to all of you. You can reach out to him if you have any issue related to innovation, entrepreneurship issues. We also file patents free of cost to all the academic institutions, both in private and as well as government. We also file patents free of cost to startup companies. So I urge all the innovators, entrepreneurs, faculty members to make use of the facilities provided by NRDC. Okay? We also would like to more interactions, such kind of interactions in the state of Andhra Pradesh, because after separation, Andhra Pradesh state has lagged behind in the culture of promoting innovation, entrepreneurship and startups, and we will be very happy to help any of the audience who are present in this event. We will be very happy to provide whatever help is required to strengthen your entrepreneurship skills. This COVID is such a challenging time we are all passing through. We should all be very careful. We should stay safe, follow all the guidelines given by the government, both the state government and central government, and keep ourselves safe. That is very important till we reach to a solution which can control this COVID situation. The vaccines are being developed. It is expected that by end of this year the vaccines would be coming to market. Once the vaccine comes, then we can all live peacefully and move the way we used to move and live 3 to 4 months ago. So I wish the program a grand success, and I compliment the organizers and the management of CITAM for taking such a wonderful initiative to engage all the stakeholders with a view to create or to share knowledge and update their skills, particularly in the innovation, creativity and entrepreneurship, which is the need of the hour for the country. Thank you once again, and I wish you all the best in this program.